Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all-new Xiaomi Osotek H200 Lite, as you can see right here. And yeah, first of all, we're gonna start with the unboxing, and then we're gonna proceed with the review. So yeah, stay tuned guys. So yeah guys, on top of the box, I've just partially unboxed it and it looks like this. And there is this paper which is a 24 months warranty for the item. All I have to do is just register the product at this website, which is called Osotek H Warranty. And yeah, and the next thing is, of course, the user manual on how to use the item. But we're gonna skip the boring part and get straight right into the product. As you can see right here guys, this is what it looks like. And yeah, this is the charger, I guess. Yep, it's the charger, as you can see right here. And now I'm going to unbox the item. So in the box, what's included is the vacuum cleaner itself, plus the holder, as you can see right here. Actually, this wasn't attached at first in the box, it was separated, but I attached it. It's very easy to attach, as you can see. Just put it in and a click sound will sound, I guess. And also there is this brush, I guess it's to brush your dust out of the vacuum cleaner, if there is any. Cut floor cleaning solution by Osotek. This is the original cleaning solution, as you can see right here. They're generous enough to give this in the box. The charger, of course, to charge your vacuum cleaner. And also the charging port, as you can see right here. It's made out of plastic, and there is 2 layers. So yeah, I'm not sure what is it for, but I'm sure it has its purpose on like why is it there. And yeah, this is the side look of it. The back is to plug in your charger right here. There's a hole, and the side and the front looks like that. So yeah, it's very basic, and the weight is not that heavy. It's portable. For the vacuum cleaner, if you guys are curious about the weight, it's quite heavy for me, but I guess it's normal for this type of vacuum cleaner because it has to be durable, right? If it's too light, it's not durable. If it's heavier, I guess it's better because there's a lot of components in the vacuum cleaner. So yeah, now let's get straight right into the testing. I'm just gonna read the instruction so that I can know the product better to explain to you guys. So guys, I've already read the user manual and it's really simple to use the product. So first of all, to use the product, example, you've already attached the holder like me. Now you have to add the cleaning solution into this box. In order to open this box, all you have to do is put your hand inside here. There's a holder right here. Just put your finger here and click this button, this black button right here. And yeah, you could just take this out and you just refill the cleaning solution. One moment. You just refill the cleaning solution. You open this container and you pour the cleaning solution. For example, once you pour the cleaning solution, just close the cap, put this back in here, and you're ready to go. So yeah, for the back part, this is where all the dirty water and also the dirts will be stored here. This is where you have to clean. The front, you just have to add the cleaning solution. For the back, you have to clean it once it's dirty now. So for example, I've already used this for a month and it's really dirty right here. All I have to do is this, the same method. Put my fingers in here and click the black button. And yeah, this is where all the dirt will be stored. Okay, here is where the dirty water will be stored, right here, until the max level, as you can see. And all the object, for example, all the physical dirt like dust and everything, it will be stored on top of here. So it's really convenient how to open the top, how to open the storage for the dirt, it's really simple. All you have to do is just click the button right here and pull this out. It's really simple. All your dirt will be stored here. Just throw this into the rubbish bin and and clean this, and you're ready to go. And to put this back in, it's as easy as this. It's very simple. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how to use the product. So for example, right here, there is a lot of rubbish. There is a mixture of papers, tissues, and some black paper, which is like a postage paper. So yeah, I'm just gonna test the machine whether can it really clean the floor or not. So yeah, in order to start the machine, all you have to do is just click the button right here once, and the machine will be turned on. It is now on 49%. So yeah, just put this down. So yep, everything is clean right now. It's so clean. Everything is in the machine right here. As you can see, all the rubbish is in the machine. As you can see. So all you have to do is just throw this out in the rubbish and you can clean this. So yeah. It's so simple to use and it really makes the floor clean. There is no rubbish at all right now. It's so clean. So yeah. As you can see right here, these are all the dirty water that came from this carpet, as you can see. So basically this carpet looks very clean, but after using the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, we can see that there is a lot of dirt inside here. As you can see, the water is dirty, it's not clean. It's dirty water. The clean water is right here in the front, which is clear, as you can see. And this is the dirty water behind. So yeah, look at how effective this is from the dirty water. I can see it's the first time that I've been using this vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet. So yeah, I can see the difference in the dirty and clean water. So I guess this carpet is really dirty. There is one feature which I really like, which is the 180 degrees turning point. For example, when I'm vacuuming, I could just go down and I could still vacuum. Example, if I'm going under a drawer and I need to bend down to vacuum fully, I could just do this. It's like 180 degrees and I could still vacuum. For example, if I turn it on, oh my god guys, look at this. It's so convenient. I could just put it up, back, and vacuum, and down. Look at this guys. For example, once you've done using your machine, you want to charge it in the charging port. All you have to do is just bring the machine over there, like that. And yep, just one touch and there's a beep sound. And the machine is charging. As you can see right here, the green light, it's charging right now, it's 36%. Yep. And these are the clean waters left. Just now I refill it till here. And now it's here, and the dirty water is not sure if you guys can see this, but yep, so this is the dirty water. I'm sure you guys can see this. I think it's a bit dark, but there's a lot of dirty water right here. As you can see, there is a lot. So yeah, it's really convenient to use. This is what it looks like. So guys, this will be the end of the video, but before that I would like to give my opinion on this vacuum cleaner by Osotek H200 Lite. So first of all, I'd like to say the quality is good. It's really good because it's durable, and for the vacuum I can feel its durability because it's strong, and also the hardness, the material, it's good. And for the cleanliness of the vacuum, on how effective it is, okay, first of all, my thoughts is, at first I thought my carpet was clean. After using the vacuum, I can see all the dirts here. These are all the dirty waters, by the way. It's so muddy, as you can see. It's not transparent, it's muddy. So all of this is from the carpet, mostly from the carpet. And yeah, it changes my perspective of my carpet. That's what changes after using the vacuum. So actually that proves that the vacuum actually can clean stuff. It's not just some vacuum which is useless. It actually has some use. It's very useful for me actually after using it now. I can see the carpet is clean now. But yeah, overall I like the color as well because it's black and white. It's very my type of color. I prefer black and white. Even my shirt today is black and white. So yeah, I really like black and white color, and it's very stylish, it's very futuristic, and yeah, quality is good. It cleans stuff. That's the main purpose, right? So yeah, what do you guys think about this product? Is it useful or is it not useful? And is it worth it to buy or is it not worth it to buy? So comment down below, guys. And if you guys are interested in purchasing the item, everything will be in the description down below. And also, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.